Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I have a really exciting spoiler to show y'all, and this might be a possible future spoiler because it was shown in BoxyCharm's TikTok with other stuff that they've already given out. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment in my last video, which was showing all of the spoilers so far for the BoxyCharm July Premium Box. Well, thank you so much, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says, "Good evening, Mandy. Thanks for the late night spoilers. I picked the face palette." Well, Jenny, first of all, you are more than welcome, honey. And again, I've got insomnia, so there's a lot of nights that I just cannot go to sleep. Like, I uploaded a spoiler video this morning at 5 o'clock, so you know what I mean. I have my moments, but it's really no problem, Jenny. And another thing, honey, I think you made the right choice, so I can't wait to see what you think of your face palette. I hope you enjoy it, honey. And Jenny, thank you so much for always having your bell set and always commenting and watching my videos, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. And you never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, I'm so excited. I'm talking so fast, but I'm just so damn excited to show y'all this possible future spoiler. You know what? I don't even know how it's not confirmed yet. Again, this was on BoxyCharm's TikTok, so I'm going to show you their TikTok video. Y'all tell me if y'all spot it before I come back on.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Well, hey y'all, it's Editing Mandy here. You know, there was another thing that I noticed, and I don't know if it has anything to do with it, but isn't that the BoxyCharm Premium Box, or is it that the Boxy Luxe? Am I getting stuff wrong? So, I mean, that might be a hint to which box it's coming in, so let me know. Is that the Premium, or is that the Luxe box? Did y'all see it? Did y'all see it? So, of course, you see all these items and products that we've already received in past boxes. A couple of them were some July spoilers. And then you see that one palette that sticks out from the rest that you know hasn't come in a BoxyCharm. It is the Urban Decay Naked Heat eyeshadow palette. Now guys, the reason I'm so excited about this is because I have this palette and I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorites. So I'm so excited to see what y'all think about this. Now again, it's not confirmed, but I mean, why would they put something with other products that were in BoxyCharm boxes? I mean, come on now. You know how Joe likes to slip these in every once in a while. You know it's going to be confirmed soon. Now what month and what box? I have no idea. I think this value of this palette is like $53. It might be $53. I'll correct it up here somewhere. You would think the Heat palette would come in the summer sometime. I mean, I know it kind of looks like fall colors in it, so I mean it would work for fall or summer, but it's meant to be like a summer palette, you know, the Heat palette. So let me know your thoughts down below. Are you excited to see this coming in a future BoxyCharm box? Do you already have this palette? Do you love it? Are you excited that you might receive it? Tell me down in the comments, because you know we're all nosy. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, the BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Sherry Bowden. I hope I said that right. Anyway, Sherry says, "Hey, Mandy, love you, girl. I always stop by and watch all of your videos." Well, Sherry, honey, that just warms up my heart. That makes me feel so good, honey. Thank you so much. I couldn't be more grateful for subscribers like y'all. Sherry, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video for me, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And, guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep. They do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.